This video is about unboxing and review of Dell Premier Wireless Keyboard and Mouse. The model of this keyboard is KM717 and it works with external AAA batteries. 4 batteries are required and it works with Bluetooth and USB dongle both. The model name is Dell Premier Wireless Keyboard. Let's unbox. This is the keyboard and this is the mouse. Let's unwrap them. Unwrapping is done. This is a nice stylish looking mouse. It has this curvature. Let's review it in detail later. And this is the keyboard. The body is metal and the keys are really nice. And this is the back side and it has a light bump here. We have some documentation about the keyboard, the starter guide and warranty details. This is the mouse and it uses 2 AAA batteries. To open the mouse, there is a small notch here. You have to open it. This is how it looks. And this is where the USB dongle inserts so that you don't miss whenever you're carrying this mouse. And this is a nice latch to protect the batteries. This is the on-off button for the mouse. 0 is off state, 1 is on state, and this is the laser. And this is the button where you can switch to different devices. This mouse can be connected to 3 devices at a time. And to switch the devices, you just need to press this button. This is the backward button. Whenever you're browsing internet or browsing through the file explorer in the Windows, if you click on it, it will go back to the previous page or previous window. And this is the forward button. This is very sleek and light keyboard with the aluminum metal body and plastic. And this is where the batteries are inserted. 2 AAA batteries are required, and there is also another slot to secure the USB dongle whenever you're traveling so that you don't lose it. So we can keep it here or in the mouse. There are 2 buttons available. This is on and off button. 0 is off, 1 is on, and this is a Bluetooth pairing button. This keyboard works with Bluetooth as well as USB dongle, and it can be connected to 3 devices. So this is the switch where you can switch to 3 devices. So first one, this symbol indicates USB dongle. You can connect to USB dongle, and you just need to move to the second one for Bluetooth and third device with Bluetooth. So 2 Bluetooth devices and 1 USB dongle, it can be connected. And these are the key layout. It's a pretty standard key layout. It has the function key here and all functions, and dedicated volume up, down and mute buttons, a number keypad, and it is very sleek and stylish. Let's turn on the devices. This is the on and off button. This is on, and you can see that device 1 is connected, and if you click on this button, it changes to device 2 on Bluetooth connection, changes to device 3 on Bluetooth connection, and if you press again, it will go back to the device 1 with USB connection. Same goes with the keyboard as well. This is the on off button. So once you turn it on, this LED light will glow, and if this switch is on the first device which is connected through USB, and if you want to connect to other 2 devices using Bluetooth, you need to pair first, and for pairing, this is the Bluetooth pairing button. Once you press on it, this LED will be glowing and you can pair this keyboard with the device. So this device is turned on right now, and I have connected 3 devices to this keyboard. I have connected 3 laptops where I can see you a seamless connection. So right now it is connected to the 3rd device using Bluetooth, and here also I am switching to the 3rd device. You can see the mouse and keyboard are connected. See the mouse, I can move the mouse and it is connected to device 3, and the same goes with the keyboard as well. It is connected to device 3, and I can type it. And if I want to switch to device 2, I will just move this to device 2, and let me change my monitor input to device 2, and also I will change the mouse input to device 2, and you can see the mouse moving. Windows is also working. Let's switch to device 1. Switching to device 1. Device 1 is connected using USB dongle provided in the box. Let me switch the monitor to device 1. So this is the device 1, you can see it. Just to identify, I made the background black for device 1 and the Windows default background for device 2, and the 3rd device is a Mac OS. This is typically my setup where I have to work on 3 devices due to work and media. This is the monitor where I can connect to 3 devices, and I have a keyboard and mouse, and I have set up 3 devices here. This is how I have connected 3 devices. The first one is a MacBook, second one is a Dell, and third one is a Lenovo. So I have connected all these 3 devices with my monitor and a keyboard. So the Dell one is connected with a USB dongle, Lenovo is connected with a Bluetooth, and MacBook is connected with Bluetooth. This pretty much fits in well, and I can switch the devices as and when I require without disconnecting, connecting the cables and devices. It's a hassle-free setup. This is a 27 inches LG 4K monitor, and it can be connected with 4 devices. We can have a separate review on this monitor. For now, I have connected 3 devices to this monitor. MacBook is connected with this USB-C port, and Dell is connected with HDMI and Lenovo is also connected with HDMI. I still have a display port available to connect to the fourth device. Overall, this is a very nice keyboard and mouse combo if you want to connect it with multiple devices.
If you like this video, subscribe and share.